Hello folks, and welcome to one of my motorhome videos. In today's video I want to show you how to get into the advanced settings of the controllers for the diesel air heaters. If you want to delve a little bit deeper into this controller, just press the settings button 3 times. You get a padlock icon, 4 bars across here. What they are where you can put your pin in to access the advanced section, and the pin is 1688, and when you've pressed OK for the last 8, it brings you to the pulse rate setting. It's set to 1.6 for the lowest, but you can go down as low as, I believe it's 0.8, but it's factory set, and there's no reason why you would really want to alter this. It's factory set at 1.6. Press it again and you get the maximum pulse rate. This will go up to 8 Hertz. Then it goes to the RPM of the fan, which is lowest setting is 1450, and the maximum it will go up to is 5000. Now with the next OK, you've got a choice of 12 or 24 volts. Your system may be a 24 volt system and you want to run the burner on 24 volts. If you've got an incorrect system, this battery will flash. So that's okay, 12 volts. Then it takes you to this SN. I don't know what SN stands for, but what you've got is a choice of 2 settings, 1 and 2. Now on the fan is a magnet that when it rotates will tell you the correct RPM. It's factory set at 1, so just keep it at 1. And then the next one, you can turn the burner on or off, and that's all there is. So there you are folks, that's the advanced settings of the controller. The only one I personally could see you using would be the 12 and 24 volts if you've got a 24 volt lorry as opposed to a 12 volt van. The rest of the settings probably best to leave as a default, except if you're experimenting and running with different fuels. They will require different burn rates, so maybe you might want to up the airflow, increase the fan, or increase the fuel amounts. So that's something you could fiddle with, but that's why it's in the advanced section. Right, well that's about it for this short video, so I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care, bye.